the go-ahead on the Johnson control. We got the OK on the MEI. We got the block light. We got a status light. And then the little blinking light. Not sure what the other stuff is. We got the OK on the dollar bill. We're fixing to install $2. $1. $2. Alright, we got the little blinking light there. The status light is off. The blocker is still on. Check vendor disabled by machine. And pull the handle down. Still continues. Gonna wait a few seconds. I guess the PLC. If you can see that there. It's on a 1 and a 4. I'm going to continue.